How to withdraw the money from Bitget to bank account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to withdraw the money from Bitget to your bank account, first and foremost make sure you have updated your Bitget mobile application. For this, head over to Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in Bitget. If there is an update button, make sure to tap on it. If not, launch the application directly. Next up, you will have to log in into your account using the credentials or your biometrics. Now that you have logged in, from the home page tap on the More button. Once you tap on More button, it will take you to another page with a list of different options available. You will find a P2P section under the popular navigation bar, so tap on P2P. This way, first and foremost, you'll have to read the user agreement, scroll down to the bottom and provide consent by confirming. Once that is done, you will land to another page from where tap on the three dots on the top right corner and choose payment methods. From there, choose add and the bank transfer. Enter your banking details including bank name, account holder, bank account number and link your bank account to Bitget. Now that this has been completed, you'll have to complete the transaction. So for this, go back to your P2P page and tap on the sell section. After that, choose a verified merchant and tap on the sell button for the selected merchant. Then enter the amount of USDT that you want to sell. Confirm the transaction and the merchant will transfer the equivalent amount in fiat currency to your linked bank account. So this is how you can withdraw money from Bitget to bank account. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.